Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Confident Lips, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more detailed videos because I'm not doing a business video. Let me get something to eat because it's lunchtime and I eat nothing. Don't question the fact that I am literally eating cake for my lunch. But this is real good boy. Jesus Christ. This is real good. What am I mouth? This is real. I am a foodie lover. I admit it. I love food. You know what? I think I will do something with food in another video. I might do another mukbang. I don't know. But I want to do something with food for sure. Right. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to save money. And this is something that I struggle with, right? Upon starting a business and stuff, I literally didn't know how to save any money at all because I didn't do any business subjects in school and blah blah blah, and I just hop in a business, right? So I didn't know how to save money. So I actually lost a good bit of money, but I am here to tell you how to save money so you will not go through that. Okay, let me give you an example. I'm a teacher for today. Let me give you an example. If you buy a t-shirt for $150 and you sell it back, making a $50 profit, so you'll sell it back for $200, how are you going to save that money? You probably answer and you're probably wrong. You probably answer and you're probably right, but let me tell you how to save that money. From the $200 that you sold the item for, you have to save $50 because it's a $50 profit, right? The profit is $50. So the $50 going into your into your bank account or into your credit union account, and the $150 goes back into the business, and it just regenerates and regenerates and regenerates. So you make $50 from that t-shirt, then you want to sell our jeans for $300 and make a profit of $30. The $30 profit goes into your saving account. So that is what you're saving. You're saving the profit and the original cost that you used, the original cost that you bought the item for, it goes back into the business, right? So that is basically it. That is it. It's so simple. It is so simple. That's how to save money. You know what I love to do? I don't know if I want to know how to flip money, but flipping money is cool. It is. But this is the end of my short little video. I hope that some new entrepreneur, some entrepreneur who doesn't know how to save money, like how I was, benefits from this video. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I think it's bye. So I am back, and the reason why I'm back is because I forgot to say something. I forgot to say that. Hold on. I forgot to say that for the young entrepreneurs who does not have a bank account or a credit union account, your solution is to save the money at home. It is probably the worst solution of them all. I mean, I would prefer you give the money to your parents to save than for you to save it, because watch out this. Typical example. I have $1 and this is my profit. The dollar is my profit, right? And I just have it in my purse like this. And I am watching TV and I see this nice lollipop, this nice bun advertising for $1. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get my purse because it is readily available to me. I'll go in it, I'll take out the $1, and I'm going to buy it. I'm going to spend my profit. That is why it is the worst option, because money is readily available to you, and temptation is I'm not gonna say, but temptation is and temptation is real, and you'll just spend out all your money and regret it later. So what I would recommend, if you are a minor with a business, I would say to either put yourself in a mindset to not spend the money at all. No circumstances at all. Don't spend the money for no nails, no shoes, no hair, no nothing. Or option 2 is to give it to an adult that you trust. Not an adult that you know is a kind of spendthrift and they would spend your money. You know, you have those kinds. Not those kinds. The ones who would literally set aside the money for you properly, right? So this is actually the official ending of this video. I can't wait to do, like, I want to do a mukbang just now. But this is the end of the video. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. Bye.